Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove apps from your laptop or PC in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over your start icon, click on that, and then go for settings. After that, here you are now in settings. So now what you need to do, you just need to go for apps, then go for installed app, and this is all that apps are installed into your laptop or your Windows. So if you want to delete any of apps from here, like I'm choosing this Precode Camp app from here to uninstall. So if I click on these three vertical line and then click on uninstall, and if I click uninstall, then there will be an option called remove. So if you click on remove, after a very short time you can see that the apps is disappeared from our Windows. And if you come over at the search option and if you search for Precode Camp, you won't find any app into your Windows. So this is how you can remove any apps in Windows in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.